Hello! Thank you for flowing into Art Flow. Today I am here with my beautiful daughter Felicity. She is 8 years old and she's going to help me draw today. What are we going to be drawing?
A unicorn!
All right, you ready?
Yeah!
Ready to get started?
Yeah!
Okay, let's get flowing! Okay, so today we are going to be drawing a unicorn. Felicity loves unicorns, right, Felicity?
Yes.
Okay, so she's going to follow my lead. I just want to say we are not professional artists, but we love to draw and we're just going to do our best. Okay, so first we're going to start, let's see. We're going to start with the face. So let's start maybe a little bit lower down here and do like that. Okay, you got it? Go ahead. Maybe start right there. You start. I think you started too, but go ahead. You already started. Go ahead. Draw right there. Okay. And we're going to draw like that. Okay. And then we're going to draw like a little nose. And like a little smile. Okay. Maybe some little round eyes here. So let's draw little round eyes. And then you're gonna draw, do you have enough space in your eyes? Maybe let's draw a dot in your eyes. I'm gonna draw like a little crescent moon thing here. I'm just gonna color that in.
That good?
Yeah, maybe draw a little dot. Yeah, you can draw your eyes the way you want to draw your eyes.
It looks bad.
Okay.
Looks bad.
So now we're gonna draw, it's okay if it looks bad. Now we're gonna draw like a little mane, like a little, I don't know, a little like hair thing. Okay.
Looks like.
So, just gonna go around like that and like that.
It looks like whipped cream.
I love whipped cream. Okay,
And it also
so you can see
like,
it. Felicity had a basketball game today. They did not win, but
it was okay.
She had fun. That's what's important. She had fun, and I think she did great. Go ahead. I think you're doing good. You're doing good.
It looks like a hat.
It does. You may need to draw your head up to that part then. All right, so now we're going to, let's see, we're going to draw a, what do you call the little thing to the top?
A horn.
A horn, okay. So I'm going to draw, I'm going to do my best to draw a horn. Then we're going to come around like that. Got it? Okay. And so we're just going to draw a line like that and a line like that. I don't know if mine's looking like a unicorn or not. It's kind of funny. Okay.
Mine's not look like a unicorn.
Okay, so
it looks like a unicorn with the hat
so
on.
we're gonna do some ears right here. It's like unicorn hat, and do some ears right here.
Ears.
Yeah, I think people are gonna tell that we're definitely not professionals, but we're having fun.
Eat the ears.
Okay.
That actually looks like a unicorn.
Doesn't it look like a unicorn? Okay. So now we're gonna draw the mane. So like the hair, the mane.
Oh.
The hair. You know, like on Kids Place Live, which y'all listen to, when she says mane. Okay, so you're gonna draw a curve like that, and go around like that. I think yours looks like a unicorn, I think. Okay, we're just gonna draw like a little line for like the hair. All right.
That's what I'm gonna do to my thing.
Ooh, she's adding lashes. Okay, you're getting ahead of me, girl. All right, so let's see if we can draw a body. So we're gonna go around like that. And then we're gonna come back like that. Got it?
My friend told me how to just draw a unicorn and I forgot.
You forgot? Okay. Oh, I didn't. Why'd you do that? You need to draw under the... Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh. Well, you know what? That makes sense. So we're gonna do that. Okay. All right. So now, well, you already kind of got a line there. You just kind of drew it lower, but it's okay.
Come on. There.
All right. Yeah. Now we're gonna draw some feet. So or some legs. So I'm gonna bring this around a little more, and I'm gonna draw a leg down like that. And leg down like that, and I'm just gonna curve it around like that.
Do we have any unicorn pies?
Unicorn pies? I don't know. And draw a little line and then draw a line like that at the bottom.
Like that?
Yep. And then we're gonna draw a little, right here on this side. Well, you're on the wrong side, this side. Right here in the front. You gotta look at mine now.
Is that okay?
Well, do this one first, so we can go, so we can be together. Okay, she wanted to draw those back legs really fast. Lucy is already drawing the back legs, but let's wait on the back legs for, well, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and draw this, do a little thing like that right there. You ready to do that? Good job. Okay, how'd you know how to do that? Okay, good job.
I don't know.
Okay, and we're gonna just keep on going like you were. Yeah, just keep on going up over there. No, you want to see yours looks like a cute little pony. Okay, draw the line like that. All right, and we're going to draw a little leg under right here. So draw a little. I probably drew mine too short. Oh well.
Mine's too short.
Okay, so what we have to do now? A tail?
Yeah!
Now we're going to draw a tail. Okay, so we're going to do, how you want to draw your tail? Ooh, she put a little curl in her tail. Okay, okay. Well, I'm gonna do a little hair like this. I see your little curl there. Okay. All right.
I did another.
Oh, that looks good, Felicity. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put we can put like something, a heart or a star or whatever you want to put. And then I'm gonna put a heart since it's close to Valentine's Day. Ooh. 2 hearts.
11 hearts.
Okay. Well, do they look like unicorns?
Yeah.
I think we did a good job. We did a job. Okay. All right.
Are we gonna add our lines?
You want to add some lines? Okay. There should be lines on the cone. Okay. Yeah. So let's do lines
I'm gonna
here.
make my cone bigger than that.
Oh, I actually went over the line. See, I did. I went over the line there a little bit. It's okay.
It looks good.
It's okay. All right. Okay, well, they look like unicorns enough to me.
Yeah.
You want to color?
Of course.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let's get the coloring. Yeah. All right. What do you think? All right. Now, I don't think they want to watch us color the whole time, so we're going to speed it up for them, okay?
Yeah.
I think they look great. What do you think?
I don't like mine.
You don't like yours? I think it is beautiful. Always don't. It's beautiful. You did a great job.
Yours looks like, let me see, a unicorn pie.
Unicorn pie. Okay. All right. We're done with our unicorns. They look good. What do you think?
They look perfect. But would it be good if I magically turn into a unicorn?
I think that'll be cool. You're a unicorn!
I am?
We just drew you! You're a unicorn! Thank you for drawing with us today. We had so much fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah!
Who did it better? Don't answer that. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so you can draw with us some more. But before we leave, we want you to
love your neighbor!
see you next time. Bye!
Bye!